Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to cancel PBS Masterpiece subscription on Amazon Prime Video. Well, this is easy. We're gonna open the app of Amazon Prime, and right here we're gonna log in on our account. And once we log in, we're gonna find this icon right here. We're gonna click this icon right here, and we're gonna find this option called your memberships and subscription. We're gonna click this. Over here, we're gonna see this subscription uh, called PBS Masterpiece. To cancel, we're gonna click right here, or we're gonna click cancel subscription, and we're gonna see this option right here. We're gonna click cancel channel to remove this subscription. And there you go. This is easy. Please comment and subscribe if this video was helpful.